Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. Here you can see these kids, they are given a task to clean the masjid and they are doing it with so much of zeal and spirit. They are happy to do it. They are trying to clean every corner of the masjid. It's looking so amazing. Tabarakallah. May Allah bless them. May Allah make them righteous. May Allah make them the flag bearers of Islam, and may Allah bless their parents. Teach your children cleanliness. Take them to masjid. Take them to Jumu'ah prayer with you. Ask them to clean the household. Ask them to clean the masjid. Ask them to be nice. Ask them to be tidy. Cleanliness is part of Iman. At-tuhuru shatrul Iman. In many hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about cleanliness and tidiness and purity. This is part of Iman. So always be clean yourself and always keep your masjid, keep your house, keep your neighborhood clean and tidy. It's part of Iman. And teach this amazing behavior to your children and it will benefit them. Always ask them to keep the neighborhood clean, to keep the masjid clean, to keep their playground clean, to keep their home clean, and teach them from young age. And inshallah, when they grow up, they will become a better human being. Teach them cleanliness, teach them Quran, teach them the Sunnah, teach them Hadith, teach them how to pray on time, and these things will make them better human being, and these things will make them stronger. These things will make them a nice person. May Allah give us the ability to teach Islamic teachings to our kids, and may Allah bless us with righteous kids.
Please support our dawah works at www.supportdawah.com.